I'm Elaine, and this is Richard.
And welcome to Ramblin Rose.
And we're on our way to meet Rosie. Come on, go. There you go, good girl. So, this is our bus. We have a typical fold-down couch. Has a fancy hinge on it that we use it sometimes to take a nap on.
Yeah, that's what my couch is used for mostly.
We have the original seats from the bus that he put on a swivel, so they actually come around front for passengers.
Oh, nice.
You swivel and face forward with seat belts.
If I had seats like this on my bus, I would have saved one. But I like the bench.
Thank you. That's one of my projects. I actually did the wood burning on the end. And that is what I do on the road, is I do wood burning and chainsaw carving.
Sure.
So we have this standard residential fridge that we run on generator right now because our solar's not quite hooked up. We have the panels and the batteries.
Now, how much solar do you have?
1,000.
We have 1,000 watts of generation, and we have 400 amp hours of lithium battery.
Right.
We're planning our next venture.
Yeah, my maps are laid out off and on too. I like the repurposing.
The lockers, well, Richard likes to tell this story because it was my idea. And then they stick up with the magnets.
Oh, nice.
And lock while we're traveling. And we have dirty dishes like everybody else, because you do dishes like once every other day. But big cast iron sink that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm like, can we have it in the bus? And he's like, sure, we'll find a way. So, and we went with kind of a metal shop theme.
Sure.
And that's why we have the toolboxes, but they're actually part of our kitchen. So we have a pantry.
Yep. What I like about the toolboxes is you can lock them and they aren't going to come open.
Yep. Once you get going down the road, it's not. And then we have the green one, which has stuff in it. There's actually some empty drawers that I'm finding. We've only been on the road for 6 weeks. So.
You'll fill them.
Yep. Or we'll downsize. We haven't decided. Yeah. We got the Berkey. I actually make hanging baskets. Give them away, sell them. Haven't figured that out yet. It's fidgeting on the road because he drives. And then this is my workstation that'll eventually get more built out. This is where I do my wood burning, and right now I'm finishing up the curtains because the bus is never done.
Right.
We have the hatch up here. Did you want to open it for him?
Which, so the screen is sitting in there, but it was a residential skylight that I modified and put latches and hinges and weather strip on it and used the PVC wood for the framework, and it's been great. It does not leak at all unless we're driving in the rain. Because of the way it's designed to drain water into this channel here and then out. So there's exposed water in this channel, but when you're sitting still it doesn't come out, but going down the road we get little drips. It's not like a major waterfall.
Right. Yeah, I actually at one point somebody asked how I dealt with rain. I said I hadn't seen rain more than a little while in a year. I said, where do you live? I said, every time it starts raining I move. I drive till I run out of rain. So I like the stone. I assume there's a drain underneath for a shower.
So
actually a whole shower pan.
So yep, I guess she's leaving this part to me.
I am.
So yep, this is our bathroom. It's not a wet bath, full wet bath. We use the shower curtains. It is a sunken shower, so that I can have a shower over top of my head. we put the mats down to just maintain the full floor when we're not using the shower.
I've had a lot of people online asking about, can I do the sunken shower? It's like, sure.
You can, yes.
Or you do a small roof raise.
Yeah, aesthetically, I didn't care for to going up, so I went down.
No, I like this idea.
It does complicate your gray water a little bit.
Yeah,
you need to, we have a low skirt bus with factory storage in it that we were able to put a fairly flat and rectangle gray water tank in.
Cool.
That's
Places
a
you
travel map, yeah. We've only been doing this 6 months, so there's not much marked on it.
6 weeks.
Well,
6 weeks, my God.
Yeah,
Those are places we wanna
Ehrenberg.
go.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's where I spend the winter.
Yep. So this is the bedroom area. We chose twin beds so that we didn't have to climb over each other, and so he could not hit his head. This way we're in the middle, and then we have all of this overhead storage, which came with the bus.
Are these original?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Somebody else was from when this show was a couple weeks ago. They had taken them out because it was so big, and I'm like, oh, that's a mistake. But
we actually gave some of them away, right?
Yeah, we were going to a Skoolies Swarm event, and I posted in the event, hey, give me the specific length you want. I'll cut you out a piece and bring it to you when we're going. And we actually ended up scrapping some of it, but we gave a bit of it away.
Oh, sure. Yep. If I'd had access to it, I probably would have used some instead of building cabinets. So
we did that, and then for our closet, it's not anything really super fancy, but it works really well. I just put a magnetic curtain over this, and it holds everything in.
Right.
So, or covers everything. It doesn't hold anything in. And we have these big windows, and we put screens on the outside by closing them into the windows, because all the windows open this way. But we very seldom put them out that way because they open up so big.
Sure.
We couldn't do this window though because it's Rosie's lookout window.
Now,
there's pictures of her everywhere with her head sticking out.
I had a window pop open and my cat jumped out.
Oh.
The first 6 months I was on the road, I was filling up fuel, and this cat comes walking up from underneath the bus. I'm like, hey, I got a cat. Wait a minute. What are you doing out here? I'd forgotten to close the driver's window.
Oh.
A couple of times windows have popped open. On the way up here, I lost the screen. Didn't know it.
Oh.
The cat didn't notice the window was open. Otherwise, it would have been chasing around a Walmart parking lot.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the day she decides. No, too far to jump, girlfriend. Too far to jump.
Now, do you have any social media contact information? I mean, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you.
We do Instagram, and it's a little bit complicated. It's we got this _ Ramblin, no G, _ Rose.
I'll try to put that in a link down the bottom.
I'll give you a sticker, and then it's on the back of that. And then my chainsaw carving stuff and pyrography is at Missy Lane Carvings. That one's pretty easy.
Right.
So.
Well, thank you. I like what you've done so far.
Thanks. So, oh, the bed's falling apart. Oh, we had doggy visitors. That's why. We made the headboard because we have a storage shelf back here, and our beds don't go all the way to the back of the bus.
There was somebody early on who bought some old suitcases and screwed them down, and they used them as their end tables. So she had one, he had one. They put all their stuff in it. So, hey, thanks.
I think we considered something like that, but it became a little bit tough to get to.
Yeah.
Hi. You lay down.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.